Hi, today I'm front of me Motorola One 5G Ace and I'll show you how to change icons shape with the Icon Changer app on this device. So first we should get the Icon Changer app from the Play Store. That's why here in the search bar enter the Icon Changer. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application will download in and then install it on your device. After that, we just should tap to open the app and select one from these available applications which icon we want to change. For example, let's use the contacts icon. Just if you want to rename it, click here on the set it name, and after that just select one from these available folders. Also, you can use photo from your device gallery or to take a picture right now in camera app and also use it on your icon. For example, I'll use one from these available icons. Then just click to OK on the right top record. Just now we should skip the video. Tap to add automatically. Just you can change the next icon by the same way or click to go to desktop directly. So now we can see here our new icon and let's check it. Let's see the difference. This is the original, the regular one, and the new icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.